Teachers, pardon this interruption. Students, if you are
Okay, so we're going to continue on.
Please remember that you will need a parent to come in and check you
Now you're going to put a 1/4 inch,
out.
0.25 by 4 inches. So we're going to duplicate that and then move that onto this point. We're going to duplicate it again and rotate it. Move that to position. Duplicate it one more time and then move it down. All right, so that's how you put the wings on. Now stop the video until you get all those done. It should look like mine as quickly as you can. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our line tool. And now we're going to join the corners across here. So if you'll notice that when I move my pencil along this line at the joint, it turns green. Click on it. Don't hold your mouse down, but just move it. Double click on the end and then come over and continue the line and then go to the beginning, click on it, and then extend it out. Double click on the end. Okay? So you'll need to do that on all 4 corners. Okay, sorry about that. My mouse wasn't working quite right. Now it should look like kind of like a stop sign. It should be kind of that shape. So you should start to know and to see what that's going on. The next thing we need to do now is to take off these corners that we made on there. All right, so to do that, you're going to be using your split tool. Now I normally like to go with 3 points of what I'm erasing. All right, so I'm going to click here on my split tool. I am going to then click on the end on that one and that corner. I'm then going to click my erasing tool and I'm going to click out of those and cut those corners. Now, unfortunately, you do have to take one of these and do it on every corner to erase them. Okay, but it gives you good practice in doing it. You can go ahead and stop the video, get all 4 of them done, and then join me when all 4 of them are done. Okay, now that you're back, this is what it should look like. The last step in doing this is a little bit harder. You're going to be putting a tab on each one of these corners right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to do this with the line tool. And it's very, very simple, okay? Click, don't hold your mouse down, and then move it 1.25 inches. Click, go straight up 1 inch, and then move your mouse to the left and click. Go 3/4 of an inch, click, and then go back to beginning and then double click. You might want to try that a couple of times. Then take your tool and put it into position. Duplicate it. Okay. So there you have your basic pattern. Now understand you're going to be using this for not only your paper box, but you're also going to be using it for your parts tray that we're going to be making. All right, so you can actually go through and cut these out of here if you want to. You don't have to, but sometimes it helps to clean up some stuff so that you know that those are going to be cut out. Doesn't take long to do it, plus you just get more practice. You can go ahead and stop the video until you've got it all done. Okay, now I need to have you put your name on this, so you're going to click on your text tool. You're going to click in the middle, and you're going to put your name. And your student number in the middle. Now you can make that bigger if you would like to by clicking on your select tool, clicking over here, going down to text styles. I like this one right here, and I usually make it about 20 point. And then I can move that where I want to in the middle. Okay, so once you get all that done, then you will be allowed to print up one copy. And then when you print up one copy, you'll take a ruler and you'll measure inside of these and all of these inside to make sure that you've done everything right and that you have all the measurements correct. Once all that's done, go ahead and print up another copy, and we should be just about ready to go. If you want to try a couple other things, you can do the shape fill. You can do shape fill. So you click on pattern fill. You can do blocks. Okay, if I want this, if I click on here and then I click on this, it fills it in. Kind of fun to do that. You can change the pattern if you want to. Okay, I don't want to go back. I've got to go back to this one. Nope. I want to go back to this one, change the pattern to that one. Click on that one. Nope, I don't want to do that. Change the pattern to that one. Okay. You can try your hand at coloring. This is not required, but you can try your hand at coloring. All right, so if you can want to make that red, it fills it with red. This one right here, if I want to fill it with blue. Okay. Well, anyway, that's all you need to know. And we'll do more drawing later, but right now that's all you need to know. So get this done, get it turned in, cut it out, tape it together. And if you can't figure out how to tape it together, let me know and I can come and help you.